Back then, people would go to the record store to look at the covers and read it front to back, listen to every song. But nowadays, they don't even make albums hardly. Singles here, singles there.
Who do you think, in your opinion right now, when you talk about like up and comers, other than your own career, which seems to be going in a meteoric way, who do you like right now? If you were going to say like, keep your eye on this next fresh batch of people in the industry. Who do you like on both the like both sides? Like I like to talk about producers too, because I think it's such a big part of everything that is going on in hip hop. So who do you guys like?
Well, I'll let Yella can answer one of his questions.
I don't know nothing about no producers. I don't listen to
New school.
today's music, so
Yeah, today's music. It's
I couldn't
hard, you
tell
know what I
you
mean? So
who nobody.
who's what, which is true. Yeah, I know. I'm going into that zone as well myself. So really, of course, Kendrick. You know what I mean? Him just being from Compton and what he's doing. Anything up and coming hot. There are some individual rappers that you'd be like, hey, this individual has talent. You know what I mean? But are just kind of like, in the sea. You know what I'm saying? With plenty of fish. So
It's
to
saturated.
say some,
That's the problem. It's too many rappers now. I mean, everybody's a rapper. I mean, everybody, And it's so easy to be a rapper. You can do everything on your phone. Now they got all this AI, and it ain't the same. I ain't gonna talk about it, but it's different.
Well, Yella,
Way
let me ask you this,
different.
like,
No different.
what about like the delivery of music? Like, for me, and I'm sure for you too, like we would listen to an album from start to finish, and each song told a story, but the album, like the full album, told a story too. The delivery of music now is more transactional, right? It's like kind of like here's a song and then live with it. I think that's very much the case in every genre of music. Do you feel that that's transformed the talent level as well?
I mean, it's just a different era. It's a different ears are listening to the music now. Back then, people would go to the record store to look at the covers and read it front to back, listen to every song on it. But nowadays, they don't even make albums hardly, Singles here, singles there. They come out so much you don't know what's on the album, tell you the truth.
yeah, you're 100% right, Mark. You're 100% right what you just said. It's just like to and Yella just basically said that too. You got a whole lot of singles, not album formatted project. You feel what I'm saying? You just have like, hey, this was a good song, put it on there. Hey, this is a good song, put it on there. Has no contents to flow with your whole album and the content of your title of your album. You know what I mean? Like, um, I have a situation I'm working on, something, you feel me? And we'll come back and we'll sit here and once I sit here and get knee deep foot in it, we'll highlight that. But the project is going with the life story. So it has substance to each song. It's not just, oh, here goes a single, here goes the single, here goes a single. You feel what I'm saying? And it's like, oh, okay, cool. I created a good album, which you're right, Mark, is what they're doing. So like Yella said, it's just single, 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 single after single, and it has no context to a real full album, which is reflects on your title of your album.
Well, it used to be. Titles of the
Yeah,
songs
you.
used to mean something. Now they just make stuff. They just make. They don't talk about nothing no more on songs. There's not stories to the songs. It's just
There you go.
this,
Yeah,
this, that. Who I am.
Yella,
It's
that's what I was going to ask about. Back in the 80s, music played such a significant role, regardless of the genre, in moving society, in telling stories that were rich and didn't have it was the music industry that served as an outlet where the media couldn't cover it, and N.W.A did that a lot, right? Like when I was first listening to N.W.A, like the white Jewish guy from Long Island, I didn't know about like the police brutality and the systematic racism that came through your N.W.A's lyrics. That's not so important anymore, in my opinion. Like we don't see the lyrics that were coming, through Public Enemy teaching about Black culture. There was no media outlet to provide that storyline for N.W.A, for Public Enemy, except through music. And now I feel like that richness in stories telling isn't really there anymore. Do you
it's
agree?
not. It's just people making songs. That's it. They just matching words to me. You know, oh, this rhyme with that, this rhyme with that. No meaning. We used to get a title and make the song to the title and stuff. You know, a meaning, just like the title of the album. There's a meaning to the whole thing. Now they just label whatever the album is, whatever the song's title is. It's no heart in the music no more. It's just, now you letting AI mix down your records. What happened to the ears that used to do that? So it's just, I just talked to this yesterday to somebody. I said, you know something? Music is fake now. If you got AI writing your lyrics, AI can create voices and this, and I'm just like, what is the world of music coming to? I mean, music gonna always be there. Hip hop gonna always be there. It's gonna make money forever. But it's just no originality to it no more. Not right now, it's not.